cheer up. To make someone feel more cheerful or happy. She bought him a gift to cheer him up after a rough day. The funny movie helped us cheer up after the disappointing game. Dine out. To eat a meal at a restaurant or outside of one's home. Let's dine out tonight and try that new sushi place. They often dine out on special occasions to savor different cuisines. Hang out. To spend time together casually or informally. We decided to hang out at the park and have a picnic. The friends regularly hang out at the local coffee shop on weekends. Dress up. To wear more formal or fashionable clothes than usual. She dressed up in an elegant gown for the gala event. The kids dressed up as superheroes for the costume party. Count on. To rely or depend on something or someone. You can count on her to always be there for support. I know I can count on this calculator to solve difficult equations. Figure out. To understand or solve a problem or situation. It took some time, but I finally figured out the puzzle. We need to figure out the best way to finish this project on time. Back up. To create a copy or provide support. Don't forget to back up your important files before formatting your computer. The goalkeeper's excellent save backed up the team's defense. Tidy up. To clean or organize. Please tidy up your room before guests arrive. After the party, we spent hours tidying up the house. Call for. To require or demand. The situation calls for immediate action. The success of the project calls for collaboration among team members. To be deceived or attracted by someone or something. She fell for his charm and ended up getting hurt. Many people fall for scams promising quick wealth. Cut down. To reduce or decrease. I need to cut down on caffeine to improve my sleep. The company decided to cut down on expenses to increase profits. Find out. To discover or obtain information. I am eager to find out the winner of the competition. We found out the meeting was rescheduled for next week. Live on. To rely on or sustain oneself with something. He was able to live on his savings while job searching. Some people live on a strict vegetarian diet for health reasons. Think over. To carefully consider or reflect on something. Take your time and think over the job offer before accepting. I need to think over my options before making a decision. Write down. To record or note something in writing. During the lecture, she wrote down important points in her notebook. Before I forget, I should write down the grocery list. Be up to. To be involved in or capable of doing something. I wonder what he is up to these days. It's up to you to decide how you want to spend your free time. Clear out. To remove or declutter. We need to clear out old furniture to make space for new ones. He cleared out his closet and donated unwanted clothes. Put out. To extinguish a fire or cause discomfort. She quickly put out the small kitchen fire with a fire extinguisher. His rude comment put out the entire room. Take back. To regain possession or rescind a statement. I need to take back my book from my friend. He regretted his comment and later took it back.